typically recommend a client allocate a kitchen renovation budget across cabinetry, countertops, flooring, and appliances?
That's the question of the century. um, Obviously, the things that are permanent, like the cabinets, countertops, and flooring, that's where you need to spend most of your money. Flooring is easier to replace than the other two. Appliances, we all know these days you're only going to get 10 years out of appliances. So I would say your cabinets, first and foremost, hold the most amount. Countertops second, flooring third, appliances fourth. So maybe go 40, 30, 15, wait, that's doing my math here. 40, 30, 15, 15 maybe. Cabinets, countertops, flooring, appliances respectively.